Recently, I have worked on a sales page redesign project, and in this video, I'll show that to you. So let's get started. Initially, the page looked like this. I don't have the live page anymore because the page has been taken out, but this is how it used to look. Like you can see, it doesn't have clear hierarchy. It's not clear enough, and then there's in the middle of the page, it's says name, email address, and then that's it. Like it looks so terrible. Like it has so many texts. It's hard to understand what this product is about. Like it has all these components a sales page should have, but it's not organized properly. And then you can see the whole content is in the middle, and there's no visual hierarchy. And that's it. And there was the checkout like payment information collecting thing right here on this page. And then I recreated this version, and I added the product mockup shot here. I mentioned what it is, and then I added the headline right here. I added the subheadline, and then the button. I have also mentioned that what is it, what includes. And then I talked about the pain point, and probably the pain point would not be visible by people have so much less attention time, so I added some graphic here to make sure that they understand. Okay, so this is for that. This is for threads, actually threads growth. And then it says that a post has three things, like all these things, and then introduced the offer and added the button to go to the checkout page. And I have also mentioned inside what they will receive, and then the usual, and then what this product includes, and then also another pain point crashing. I didn't remove any content, I just organized them in a better way. And then I have mentioned like why she created this, and then this is for you if, this is not for you if. This was also in that page. I took all of them from there, but I reorganized them and made them look better and more easier to skim by people, and then added the questions and answers to all of them. And then finally the stack again, and links to different things, like social media, if people wants to check the credibility first. So this is what I have done, and I have done six things here. I have worked on the structure. I have changed the wording a little bit, like not change, I mean made sure the wording stands out. I have added images to make this page look pretty. I have added some colors to it to make it give it some hierarchy. I have added some energy to this page. I have made sure that there are some buttons that stand out, that shows what it exactly does. And then finally I have made sure that everything comes together. And the one more thing that I wanted to mention here, like this page is in Stan Store, and it is very much limiting about what you can do. But this page was done in ClickFunnels, and it has it has all the elements that are needed for a funnel. So if you need a funnel specifically, go for a funnel builder. Go for Kajabi, ClickFunnels, System.io, the platforms that has the funnel building elements. Do not use like product pages like Shopify, Stan Store, those kind of things for your funnels, because like these platforms do not allow for high optimization ability. So that's it, thank you. Please let me know if you have any questions, and if you need my help on building funnels, of course I will love to help. Send me an email at hello@nusratgeek.com, or send me a DM and let's talk.